Okay, so in this question, we are asked to factorize completely 2x squared minus x minus 6. So what we're going to do now here is we're going to rewrite this expression here. Once we've done this, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to expand this one, this negative x. We're going to expand it, okay? So how are we going to expand it? We expand it in the way that the numbers we're going to use are those numbers when you multiply 2x squared times negative 6 times negative 6, 2x squared times negative 6, it should give you this product, which is should give you a product which is negative 12, okay? Because when you multiply 2 times negative 6 will give you negative 12. Those are the two numbers. That's one qualification they will have. The second one is that when you add those numbers, they should give you negative 1. Okay? So those numbers, when we think of those numbers, or when we think of numbers that we can multiply to get 12, which are the factors of 12, and they should also give us the answer, which is 1, those numbers are negative 4 and 3. So when you multiply negative 4 by 3, will give you negative 12. And when you add negative 4 to 3, it will give you negative 1. Okay? So that's what we're going to expand negative x. It's going to be, we're going to expand it to be negative 4x plus 3x. So we're going to write 2x. Then we expand negative x, which is going to be negative 4x plus 3x. Now when we do that, that means we haven't changed the value of negative x, which will give us, which will be, so not give us 2, then we're going to write negative minus 6, okay? So when you look at this expression, if you look at the values, they are just the same, despite that we have just written them in different way. Okay, once we've done this, the next thing we're going to do is now, we are going to put these 4 terms in 2 groups. So this will be the first group, which will consist of x squared minus 4x. So we're going to factorize this group we have circled. So what we're going to do is we're going to factorize it like this. We're going to find the number that can go into x squared and 4x. So the number that can go into x squared and 4x is 2x. So we're going to say 2x. Then we say 2x squared divided by 2x will give us x. Okay. Then 4x divided by 2x will give us negative 4x divided by 2x will give us negative 2. Once we have done doing that, then the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to focus on this second group here. Okay, we're going to focus on this second group, okay, where we have 3x minus 6. So what we're going to do now here is we're going to find the number that can go into 3x and negative 6, and that number is 3. So we're going to write 3, then we say 3x divided by 3 will give us x. Negative 6 divided by 3 will give us negative 2. Okay, now once you have done this, you notice that these numbers in brackets are the same. The expression in brackets are the same. So with that, what we can do is now is we are going to get 2x and 3. Okay, so we're going to say 2x plus 3, the 3 in the middle. Okay, the 3 on the middle, which is going to be plus 3. Then we are going to pick one of these numbers that are in brackets. As you can see, they are just the same. So we're going to pick one of those. Once we pick one of those, that means we have gotten the same. We have gotten from the same expression. So we can say now, we can say this. We can write that now. Now, once I've done that, that means now we have factorized completely the expression. So factorizing 2x squared minus x minus 6 will give us open bracket 2x plus 3 close bracket open bracket x minus 2. close bracket. So when you expand that, it's going to give you that expression there. Or when you simplify that, it's going to give you that expression there. Okay, if there are no questions, we go to the next question.